So hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. So, it's me again, Jomari Brian from Tamagotchi Diaries and Ed United. So for today's video is papasok ako sa school. Syempre since it's a school day today, Friday, and thank God it's not raining. Kaya hopefully di ako mabuta ng rush hour. So ayun, mag-aabang na rin ako ng jeep later. Ayun. Sige, see you guys. So guys, maraming tao. So ayun, sana makasakay agad sa next train. So guys, nandiyan na.
Pagpilian ng sa security or station kasi mag-ingat.
Next station, Ligarda. Ang susunod na istasyon ay Ligarda.
A few moments later.
So guys, ang pupuntahan po natin ngayon ay yung annex building ng EDO, which is nasa may Sampaloc side. So ayun guys, every day, lalo na pag school day, lagi maraming tao dito na naglalakad. Kaya minsan parang nagiging Shibuya crossing yung dyan sa yun dito sa may Ligarda Street. So guys, kita niyo po yun. So guys, dito sa papuntang Enyo, madaming madadaanan. So may building dito. Tapos meron din Watson's dun sa gilid. Nakikita niyo. Guys, marami rin dorm dito, mga tawag dito, boarding house. Tapos ay McDo din dito guys. Lagi ang tambayan din ng mga students yan, mapansin ko. So itong area na ito yung tinatawag na ng Pastillos. Wherein nandito tayo ngayon sa may earth shop. Tapos marami rin mga bangko dito tsaka mga pawn shop, money changer. So parang siya, all in one. See, parang ganyan. Andito din po yung Twin Churches of Sampaloc, the St. Anthony Shrine. And doon naman sa may bandang likod is andun yung Our Lady of Loreto na parang Diocese Shrine. So kuminsan po nagsisimba rin kami dyan, and almost everyday ako dumadaan dyan to ask for guidance. So meron din 7-Eleven at saka Mercury dito. Tapos yun, kita nyo guys, may talipapa slash palengke dito wherein marami ring tao bumibili. Tapos ito din, kilala din tong landmark na to, yung Liana's na supermarket and department store. Nakabili na rin ako dyan once, and ayun, parang it gives me vibe, parang 90s vibe, 90s na department store vibes. So ayun, lapit na tayo sa Hoxton Street. So guys, nakasalubong ko yung mga classmates ko sa chemistry lab. And ayun, it's good to know na they're doing well ngayong second year. So nakakatuwa lang guys, kasi later I'm gonna talk about my first year experience since I wasn't able to vlog nung first year ako, except for the Freshies week. So guys, sige, tour muna tayo. So guys, this is F. Hoxton Street, wherein malapit na dito yung NU. So may matadaanan tayo ditong hardware at saka hotel na mga abandonado na, and joke lang. And ayun, meron ditong coffee shop siya, and then karinderya, animal clinic, tapos meron din ditong may barber shop, laundry shop, tapos may salon, pero close pa sila. And guys, andito na yung NU. Ito pa yung Hoxton Memorial Building, wherein nakapaskil pa dyan yung mga nationalian engineers natin. And ayan, dito naman yung mga pangaprintan. And ayun, ito po yung gate 1. So mamaya pupunta tayo dyan, pero for today's video is pupunta tayo sa annex building. Hi! So guys, this is the Hoxton statue, one of the major landmarks of our university. So si Mariano Hoxton po, siya po yung founder ng NU. So NU was founded in 1900 as Colegio Filipino, and then it became Colegio Mercantil, and then National Academy. Tapos naging National University na siya in 1921. So mamaya na natin na-explore yung history ng NU. So guys, ayun na, ito po yung annex building. It consists of 12 floors. So bago lang tong building na to, halos like wala pa ata siyang 10 years if I'm not mistaken. So sige, pasok na tayo. So papasok na tayo sa annex building. So good morning po sa mga guard. Ito po sa mga guard, thank you po sa paggabay sa school namin. Sa school natin rather. So ito po yung annex building guys, wherein nakikita nyo dyan yung NU and SM partnership. So guys, bago tayo umakyat ng elevator, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga other lugar dito sa NU. So guys, so this is the bulldog statue. This was unveiled last May to celebrate the victory of the NU volleyball team, and basically all teams in the UAAP last season 86. So these are the recipients of the Don Mariano Fortunato Hoxton Award, wherein it is an award that shows those are the graduates that have shown leadership skills and exceptional academic performance, as well as their involvement in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. So, punta natin yung museum. So, the National University Museum was unveiled last November 2023. So, unfortunately, di ko siya naabutan for Nationalian course kasi we have a subject wherein we're studying about NU's history. 3 units siya. So, shout out po sa naging prof namin doon, who is also the curator of the museum. So, those are the presidents of NU. And then, these are the Philippine presidents who are alumni of NU. These are the UAAP championships of NU and the UAAP. So guys, meron pa doon sa my main building. And then, we have this. These are the NU campuses, pero madadagdagan pa yan. So, we now have NU Bacolod and NU East Ortigas, which opened this school year. So guys, kapag nagpupunta po tayo sa museum, hindi pa natin kinakalimutan mag-login sa kanilang guest book. So, lalagay po natin yung name. Tapos yung course or program. Tapos pipirma. So guys, ayan, napasok na tayo dito. So guys, here in the NU Museum, you can see things related to NU's history. So as I've mentioned earlier, NU was founded in 1900, specifically on August 1, 1900, which was 124 years ago. So this is the bust of Don Mariano Hoxon. And then these are some pictures from NU before. So shout out to those freshman students. We will soon take Nationalian course. So these are artifacts or things related to the College of Allied Health, which consists of nursing, medical technology, and pharmacy. But now it was already divided into 2 departments, which are the College of Nursing and the College of Health Sciences. So we also have the College of Architecture, which is home to the programs of BS Architecture and BS Environmental Planning. So we have this as well. And then we also have the bust of Dr. Jose Rizal. And of course, since NU and SM had a partnership back then, we also have Henry C. Sr., who is the father of modern-day National University. So next we also have the College of Engineering, which is home to the programs of Civil Engineering, Computer Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Environmental and Sanitary Engineering, Electrical Engineering, as well as Electronics and Communications Engineering. So, just to share, I am a computer engineering student here in NU Manila and I'm already in 2nd year. So, I could say that I have learned some fundamentals of engineering such as calculus, chemistry, and physics. And next we also have the College of Dentistry, which is located in Enyumoa. We also have the College of Computing and Information Technologies, or CCIT, which is home to the BSIT and ComSci courses. They are located at the main building as of the moment. So we're in the annex building, kaya later pa natin mapapakita sa inyo yung main building. So this is the Enyo Nazareth School. So the Enyo Nazareth School is basically the basic education department of National University. So it was formerly the Nazareth School Ias de Jesus, which was acquired by NU. It's also a Catholic school, and I have some batchmates and classmates who graduated from here. So next is the College of Business and Accountancy, which is home to the programs of BSBA, or Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, which has 3 specializations such as financial management, marketing management, and human resource management. It's also home to the courses of BS Accountancy, BS Management Accounting, BS Accounting Information System, and BS Real Estate Management. So as of now, they are located in the Menjola campus, which is located near CEU and San Beda. That's why they were transferred there due to Enyo's growing population, and they occupied the building of the College of the Holy Spirit in Manila. So this was the former University Quadrangle in the 1950s. And we also have a diploma of one of the members of Don Mariano Hoxon's family. And then next we have the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, which is home to tourism and hospitality management programs. So just to share, sila po yung program na meron ding other uniform. I mean, it's not the same as the traditional uniform, along with the College of Allied Health. And last but not the least, we have the CEAS department, or the College of Education, Arts and Sciences, which is home to the programs of Political Science, AB Communication, English Language Studies, BS Psychology, BS in Secondary Education, major in English. We also have Elementary Education as well, and of course the Bachelor of Physical Education. So we can also see some old pictures from the past of NU. So these are the signatures of the athletes of the UAAP Season 86 UAAP Games. So guys, this concludes our tour of the National University Museum. So, akit muna ako sa class ko so that magpapagpatuloy natin itong vlog na ito later. So, see you guys. Guys, we're currently inside the elevator and I'll be going up to the 12th floor para makapag-start tayo from the top of this building. So guys, dito na po tayo sa 12th floor ng Annex Building. So, here in this building, we can see that the multi-purpose hall is located here. So, guys, ayun siya. Kaso nga lang close yung area na ito since wala namang ganap today. So, the multi-purpose hall has been used in many purposes. Kaya nga multi-purpose eh. So, it has been used for conferences or general assemblies of organizations and more events, especially those college-specific events. So, we also have the function room here. So, alam ko nakita ninyo guys yung video namin na National University Hymn. Diyan namin film yan. So, guys, bababa na po tayo. Papunta tayo 11th floor. Wherein formerly LRC yun. Pero now it's been converted to several classrooms. So guys, dito sa floor na ito, andito yung bagong lecture rooms ng Civil Engineering and dito rin yung pagpapa-ID sa ngayon until August 31. So, sige, ikutin natin siya. So, ayun guys, may mga nagka-class na rin dito sa floor na ito. So, ginawa siyang pang civil engineering na freshies. So, ayun dating LRC ito, hindi din ako makapaniwala agad na convert ito agad into classrooms. Parang kailan lang LRC ito. Pero I know it's because of NU's growing community. That's why it's possible for them to have this. So, yan lang guys, sarado pa yung pagpapa-ID natin for today's video. And then yung bababa na po tayo sa 10th floor wherein doon din po yung first class ko for today. So before and until now, the CS department lecture rooms are also located here at CTHM as well. So guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung medyo may pagkakabado. So guys, this is the Computer Engineering Laboratory, 10th floor, room 1005. So, hindi po namin naabutan tong ComLab na ito nung first term. Pero, I was able to use the new ComLab nung third term na when I took an advanced subject, which is the computer aided drafting. So ito na po, papunta na po tayo sa 1001, which is yan po yung room ko for my first class. Pero ayan, konti pa lang yung tao. So guys, papasok na tayo. So hi guys, welcome back. So andito na ako sa 1001, which is yun yung lecture room na gagamitin natin for today. So, ayun, wala pang mga students dito since wala yung first class dito kanina, which is yung 7 to 9 na class. So, 9 pa naman yung class namin, pero hindi pa tayo 100% sure kung yung prof namin na naka-assign sa amin is siya yung magiging prof talaga, kasi sabi din niya sa amin kahapon na parang if ever man daw nakahanap ng prof na pang electrical engineering, yun na yung magiging prof namin. So, ayun. So, magbigay tayo ng short introduction. Hindi ako masyado nakapagpakilala kanina since nasa biyahe ako. So, I'm Jamay Brian L. Ramos. I'm 19 years old. So, parang ang bilis ng panahon, no? Parang, guys, nung nakita niyo ako nagva-vlog before, high school pa lang ako noon. So, ito na yung parang pinaka-comeback natin. I hope na pakita ko sa inyo yung college experiences ko. And, I'm taking BS Computer Engineering. I'm already in second year. So, since yung last vlog ko was nung Freshies Week pa nung last school year, I've been through a lot na rin. Like, I've been an irregular student na rin at some point. So, during that time na unlock pa yung opportunities ko na ma-expand din yung parang circle ko or something like that. Hi Jeremy. So, ayun pa, unti-unti na dumadating yung mga classmates ko. So, our first class pala for today is Electrical Circuits for CPE. Wala pa kayo nun? Electrical circuit. Okay. Ay, sorry na. So later we're gonna have PE class in Annex 2. So hello, ito pala si Lee, my classmate. So kita nyo guys, she's pretty. Akin. Sige, dito ka na lang. Dala ko lang yung shoes ko tsaka yung PE uniform ko. Sige. Sure, walang problema. So, ayun. Sana talaga we would pass all our subjects and ayun, makagraduate tayo soon. Ayun kami. Sana by 2027 tapos na kami para maging ganap na engineer na kami. So, ayun guys, pagpasensya nyo na yung medyo haggard ako. Like, you know, ganun talaga ako pag bagong dating sa school. Pero don't worry, ang pinakamahalaga naman ay yung wala kang tinatapakan tao. Kumbaga, panlabasaan nyo lang yan. I mean, oo, okay lang naman na pero syempre, pinaka-importante sa lahat is our, internal beauty. Wow, internal beauty. So, ayun guys. Sige, mamaya na lang tayo magkita-kita ulit. Itutour ko kayo sa 9th floor pababa ng ground. So, hindi na ako mag-elevator mamaya pagbaba. Hi guys, kasama natin ang Koi 232. Hi guys, Koi 232. Shout out sa inyo. So yan po yung mga classmates ko, mga pogit, mga magaganda. Hi Jasper. Ito po yung mga classmate ko po sa Koi 232. Hi guys. Hey. Ayan guys, classmates ko guys sa Koi 232. Hi Yesh, Mika Angel. Sa Carmoto Vlog.
Gusto daw niya ng highlights niya. Montage mga sa inyo.
Hi po.
Tama.
Hindi, lang. Para sa vlog ko lang to, first vlog ko this school year. Hi guys. Hi Kurt.
Ito, All-Stars to. All-Stars. Ito, All-Stars to. All-Stars. Tayo mo. Hi, All-Stars. Yan.
Nasaan si Eman?
Lapit ka dun dito.
Wait lang. Hello. Kay Ralph. Hi Eman. Ay, si Ralph pala to. Nasaan si Eman?
Wala.
Jeremy,
si Jeremy.
Hi, Kenji. So, ayun lang guys. Sige, bababa na. Bababa na lang tayo. Lay, hello ulit. Hi, Suzette. Hello sa inyo. So, ayun lang guys. Quick update lang. Katatapos, tapos na rin yung class namin. Mamaya-maya na lang mag-PPE kami. So, kita-kit sa Menjola guys. Kita-kit sa Menjola. So guys, nandito na po tayo sa 9th floor. So puro lecture room lang din po ito ng SEAS. And ayun, pababa lang tayo guys. So yung kasama ko si Jasper. So, and may comlab din dito sa room 905 sa Annex Building. And ayun, mamaya-maya pupunta tayo ng Menjola. Itutour ko din kayo doon sa College of Business and Accountancy. And ayun, dito tayo sa 8th floor. Kasama natin yung mga taga-tourism. Hi sa inyo! Sa mga tourism dyan, good luck sa inyo. Puro lecture room lang po itong dito. Naging portrait na yung vlog ko, landscape dapat yung camera. Pero kanina pa ako naka-portrait. Siguro i-upload ko to din sa TikTok. Paano yung pwede rin sa TikTok, pwede rin sa YouTube. Pero yung YouTube So guys, andito tayo sa 7th floor wherein andito din yung faculty ng SEAS. Ayun guys. So we're going down, baby.
Pinagdan na. Kahit may elevator ka.
So guys, yung elevator nga pala, yung tatlong elevator, serving all floors siya, while yung isa, 7 to 12 lang siya, tsaka ground. So, ayun. Sa 6th floor, puro lecture room lang din siya. Halo ng engineering, may din, nursing, medtech. Here din po sa 5th floor, puro lecture room din po siya. Excuse po. So yun guys, 5th floor po ito guys. Hello. So guys, dito sa 4th floor, makikita natin dito yung financial services. Andito din yung Center in Innovation for Sustainable Development. And guys, makikita nyo rin nandito rin yung guidance office. So here's the International Student Services Office. Tapos may prayer room din po dito for para sa ating mga kapatid na Muslim. And then may mga faculty room din po dito sa 4th floor. Andito rin po yung guidance services. And nandito rin po yung human resources. So yan, bababa na tayo ng 3rd floor wherein andyan ang College of Engineering faculty room. Andun din yung NSTP office as well as the SDAW. So nalipat na rin po kasi yung SDAW doon sa 3rd floor. And yun guys, hi sir, kamusta po? So nagpa-vlog po ako. So guys, dito po yung NSTP and Community Extension Office. So dito rin po yung mga pag if ever may mga kailangan, pag may mga nasalanta ng bagyo or any calamities, at least meron tayong way to give back to the community. And nandito rin po yung SDAW or the Student Development and Activities Office. Diyan din po kami nagpapa-approve ng scholarships and some stuff. And ayun, nandito po yung College of Engineering faculty room wherein nandun po lahat ng program chairs and some faculty members. And now, pababa tayo sa second floor ng Annex Building, wherein nandito ang ating Learning Resource Center or tinatawag LRC. Alternatively called as the library. So, makikita nyo rin dito na so guys, quiet zone ito. So, ayun, papasok tayo. So guys, nandito na po tayo sa loob ng LRC or yung Learning Resource Center. So, ininaan ko lang yung boses ko dito since this is a silent zone. So, para hindi po tayo makadistract ng ibang tao dito. So, dito sa LRC or Learning Resource Center, makikita nyo dyan yung mga thesis, tsaka yung mga other books for research purposes. So, ayun, pwede rin, may mga conference room din dito. So, yun nakikita nyo guys, andyan yung mga students, they are reviewing. So, sana they would continue to do their best para lahat sila makapasa and they would live happily ever after. So, dito yung reader services counter. So, pag kailangan nyo manghiram ng books or something, if ever din yung need nyo ma-access yung online public catalog, something like that, if need nyo ng books. And also, they have the latest newspapers na updated. May Manila Bulletin, may Philippine Star, and parang Manila Times ata yun. Sorry, di po ako super familiar sa mga pangalan ng mga newspapers. So, ayun. This is one of the perfect places na pwedeng tambayan if need nyo ng place to study. Pero, ang disadvantage lang dito sa LRC Annex is konti lang yung saksakan. So, to those people who plan to stay here for studying and you're bringing a laptop or a gadget, I advise that you would bring an extension cord. Diba? So, ayun guys. Short lang. So, itong kasama ko is part of the esports team of UAAP. So, support na lang sa kanya. So, good luck. So, may kasi sila ngayon. Kaya, yun, medyo hindi siya nakakasama. Pero, let's wish the best for him. Yan lang. Ayun, see you guys mamaya. Pupunta ako ng Menjola mamaya. And if ever man, pwede rin ako bumalik dito sa main building para doon ko na mag-air tour pati sa JMB. And mamimit din natin doon yung makakasabay ko umuwi later. Taga third year na CPE. So, bye! So, hello guys! Welcome back to our vlog. So, for this part of this vlog, so we're gonna go to NU Menjola Annex 2 for my PE class. And now I'm already walking here sa may Earnshaw. Dahil on the way na rin ako sa may shortcut wherein sa may LRT siya. So kita-kits na lang later. So tatawid ulit tayo dun sa tinawiran namin kanina. Pero hindi ko na ipapakita yun since ang dami pa ako. Bye! So guys, ito pala yung dinadaanan ko papapunta ako ng Menjola campus ng NU or yung tinatawag na Annex 2. So, andito po tayo sa Legarda Station and dito yung daanan. So, parang may daan doon. So, guys, samahan ninyo ako. So, mayroon ditong exit na papuntang Menjola Street where makikita nyo din doon yung Menjola Peace Art. And then dito may mga establishment din dito. May mga tindahan, may milk tea, mayroon din mga street foods, and may mga pang Xerox din. So, kita nyo guys, may din dito, may parang creek din dito sa gilid. Hanggang dulo lang guys. So guys, andito na yung Menjola Peace Art. So finally, so ano to ito? So on the way din to Malacanang. Madadaanan din yun na dyan yung Centro Escolar University or CEU. So dito na tayo dumaan para maluwag. So yan yung CEU guys. And ayan, dito na lang tayo dadaan para shortcut. So nakikita ninyo guys, may mga taga-NU din dito kasi syempre dun na yung College of Business and Accountancy. So yan, ito pa yung gilid ng San Beda University. Yun. Kaya advice ko sa mga may PE class sa Menjola, mas maganda kung may kasama kayo pag pumunta dito kasi actually nakakapagod siya lakarin mag-isa. Since parang mga 1 kilometer mahigit ito from NU Main. And ayun nga, walang ibang mode of transportation papunta dito except tricycle, which is mahal. You know naman, tricycle dito sa Maynila. So dire-diretso lang tayo hanggang sa may Concepcion Aguila Street. So yan, another entrance ng San Beda. So usually pag hindi naman maulan, napapansin ko dito na laging may mga nagpa-practice ng sayaw dito sa gilid-gilid. Ayun guys, kita nyo sila. And ayun, may mga galing din ng Menjola. So ayun, malapit na tayo. So nakikita ko na yung UCPB, which means malapit na tayo sa NU Menjola. Hello. And ayun, ay charot, hindi pala UCPB, RCBC pala. Gusto naging scammer pa ako. Tagal ko na kasi di nakapunta dito guys. Ayun guys. Sorry guys. So ayun, dire-diretso lang natin yan hanggang makita natin yung nakasulat na National University Annex 2. So short trivia lang, yung College of the Holy Spirit isa yung prestigious school ng mga nung probably panahon ng mga mama at lola ninyo guys. So as syempre alam natin Catholic school din yan, pero yun nga lang, nag-close sila noong 2022 due to low enrollment based sa Wikipedia. And noong 2023 nagkaroon sila ng parang lease na parang iparent mo na yung NU for 5 years para doon mo na magstay yung CBA, since ang CBA as of now sila may pinakamalaking student population. Yan guys, pawis na rin ako. Ayan, malapit-lapit na. So meron din palang mga kainan dito around kasi Siyempre may mga universities din dito kaso hindi siya kasing dami na nandun sa NU main. So ayun, malapit na tayo nandyan na, nakikita na natin ang NU Annex 2. Tatawid tayo, let's go. So yan na po yung Annex 2 guys. Dito po yung PE area. As nakikita ninyo. So update, nakarating na tayo dito sa NU Annex 2 yung sa Menjola, sa former College of the Holy Spirit. So ayun, since nakarating na tayo dito and 1 o'clock pa naman yung klase ko and time check it's still 12:16, pwede na muna mag-rest and syempre nagbibihis na rin ako para makasuot na tayo ng PE uniform. So I guess kita-kita na lang tayo mamaya. Bye! Hello guys, ayun, kasama ko si Axel, classmate, schoolmate ko ng LM. So short lang, pakamustahan lang. And hello din sa mga classmates niya. Sige, ingat kayo pa uwi. Hindi kasama yan sa vlog ko, with campus tour pa yan kasama.
Sige, hello.
Sige, ingat kayo.
Hello mga taga SSS dyan.
Oo, sige, bye. So hello guys, nakabihis na ulit ako. So nakabihis na ako, nakasuot na ako ng PE uniform. So may tayo outfit check. So ito yung PE uniform. Kasi ito yung pants, may logo. Kasi ready na. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon bago kami mag-start ng PE class ay itutour ko muna kayo dito sa Annex 2. Kahit engineering ako since maraming beses na rin ako nakapunta dito and familiar with this place naman na. So, of course, ang pinakaunang area na makikita natin dito sa NU is yung PE area, which is yun ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, yan, covered court siya. So, yan. Tapos, nakikita nyo rin dyan na may mga electric fan na malalaki. Tapos, may saksakan dyan. So, pwede rin mag-charge. And at least, hindi siya ganun kainit compared nung dati naming PE doon sa JMB. So, let's go! So, ang National University Annex 2 is home to the College of Business and Accountancy. Ayun nga, ilang beses ko na rin sinabi. So, dito, may mga dito, some stalls para sa canteen. And, ayun, makikita nyo rin yan, guys. Tapos, ito yung health services. Tapos, pwede rin kumuha ng water dito. So, yan, may dala akong water bottle. Pero, later na lang tayo mag-refill ng tubig bago mag-start ang ating PE class. So, ayun, ito po yung faculty room ng CBA. And then, may open area dito wherein pwedeng mag-review, study session. Kaso yun nga lang, yung ibang table basa since, ayun nga, maulan. And marami rin mga pusa dito kagaya nito. Ang cute-cute nitong pusa na ito. Hello. So, ayan. Tapos ayan pa, may pusa pa ulit, oh. So, makonsagana nga sa pusa ang Annex 2 compared sa iba. So, hindi pa natin ikutin yung buong Annex 2 building kasi wala namang elevator dito, nakakatamad mag-akyat baba. Okay, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga important places dito. Like yung, ito puro classrooms lang ito, guys. Tapos ayan, meron pang mga alfresco area. So hello sa mga students natin dyan. So I'm glad din sa mga positive changes dito. At least mahangin na dito sa Menjola. Di na siya yung super init kagaya ng dati. Or maybe dahil tag-ulan season lang talaga ngayon. So guys, ito may hati guys kasi yung area na yun hindi na siya sakop ng nirent ng Enyo. So hanggang dito lang talaga siya. Pero ang ganda sana nung place na yun kasi may mga may mga circular tables and chairs. Sa yan may malaking tree. Masarap pa naman ang feeling na tumambay sa ilalim ng puno lalo na kapag may upuan. So ayan, ang next natin pupuntahan ay yung canteen. So yan, okay din mga lecture rooms nila dito, maganda na rin yung ginawa nila. So let's go to the canteen para makita nyo rin. So ito yung entrance, medyo maano lang yung area. Pero dito siya. Hindi siya air condition kagaya ng canteen sa main building. Pero ito siya guys. So ayun, yan siya. Tapos andito yung mga food. So for personal opinion lang, mas gusto ko yung food dito sa annex to na canteen kaysa sa main building. So ayun, yun lang naman. So babalik na tayo doon sa PE area. And sana makita ko yung LRC kasi I haven't roamed around this building that much. Kaya, ayun. So guys, kasama natin dito ang mga students from the SBA Marketing Management. Hello sa inyo and I hope na makapasa kayo sa lahat ng subjects ninyo. Siyempre yan lang naman ang wish ko sa lahat ng mga college students natin dito sa inyo. Ka muna, So, yan lang naman. Ewan ko lang kung akyatin ko. Teka, mag-a-ask ako ng question. Guys, sa second floor ng Annex 2, puro ano lang siya, puro classrooms lang siya guys, as you can see. Pero here's a better view ng ng College of the Holy Spirit of Manila. Makikita nyo dyan, ayun, parang ang ganda tuloy ng area doon. Kaso sabi daw, sasakupin daw ng National Teachers College yan. Pero anyway, sige, baba na tayo. Baka may PE class na kami. So, hi guys. Kasama na natin yung mga classmates ko dito sa Menjola. So, inantay pa natin yung iba.
Hi, boss! Bossing!
Boss.
Forest 5!
Napay ka sa camera.
Apir tayo dyan!
Si Greg, si Sandro, si Jax. Tapos, syempre, yung tatlong babae na nakita natin kanina. And si Erica, ang ating ang ating manghahataw. So, inantay pa po natin yung iba. So, I guess on the way pa lang yung iba, no? Kailan ba nag-end yung DE nyo? I see. So hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. So sa ngayon tapos na yung sa PE namin. So ang ginawa lang sa amin is pinag-aralan namin yung mga cheer ng NU. And ayun, inorient kami ng prof namin. So yun nga, badminton daw ang aming gagawin. So hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. So sa ngayon, papasok tayo sa main building and sa JMB. So, hello po sa mga guide po natin dyan. Hello po. So, ayun. First, dito muna tayo sa JMB. Or the Hoxton Memorial Building. So, itong building na ito is currently in the process of lipatan. Kasi may mga lipatan daw ng department or something. So, yun, may lipat yung buhok ko. Masyadong mahangin sa ngayon. So, sige. Continue natin to mamaya. So, hello guys. So, welcome back sa vlog natin. So, this is the last clip of this vlog para sa part 1 ng ating campus tour and kumbaga first week of school experience. So, it's me again, Jamaya Bryle, and may kasama tayo ngayon. So, hello.
Hello,
You are?
Howard Alvarez.
So, friend ko siya from third year na computer engineering. Pero last school year ko pa siya na-meet. So, kapitbahay din siya ng BFF ko, si Kim. So, shout out sa kanya.
Hi.
So, anong gusto mong masabi? Kahit para sa mga students natin dyan, sa mga CPE.
Enjoy your journey lang, and yun lang.
So, sige. So, I think that would be all for our vlog. Since Friday ngayon, wala, si Howard, may pasok siya bukas, pero ako wala. So, hindi ako makapag-vlog, syempre. So, kita-kit sa Monday, guys. Ayun.
Bye.
Tapos wala ka din sa Monday. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Tapos i-close mo yung camera.